Comparing and ordering integers. You can use a number line to help you compare and order integers. Remember, an integer is simply a positive or negative number. When comparing numbers on a horizontal number line, the number to the right will be the greater number. For example, let's start with something you're used to. Or compare 8 and 3. Here's 8 and 3. We know 8 is greater than 3, but you can see that 8 is to the right of 3. So 8 is greater than 3. Compare -4 and -7. There's -4, -7. You can see that -4 is to the right, so it will be greater. So -4 is greater than -7. Let's order. That just means you have more than two. -3, 4, and -1 from least to greatest. -3, +4, and a -1. To go from least to greatest, we'll start at the left and go to the right. So -3, -1, and +4. You can do the same thing on a vertical number line. The number on the top will be the greater number. For example, compare -4 and a +2. There's a -4 and a 1, 2, +2. So -4 is less than +2. When ordering integers, remember integer, positive or negative number, let's do it from least to greatest. Here's a -15, here's the 7 up here, 5, 6, 7, and a -10. So now let's order them from least to greatest. Start at the bottom and go up. -15, -10, and a +10 and a +7. Compare these integers using less than or greater than. 3 and -6, +3 and -6. So we can see the -6 is smaller and the +3 is greater. So 3 is greater than -6. -2 and a -8. Here's the -2, here's the -8. Remember, the one on the right will be the greater one. So -2 is greater than -8. When ordering, put those on the number line, switch colors. -3, -6, and a -2. So all you have to do is read left to right if we're doing least to greatest. So it'll be -6, -3, and a -2.